If he starts shooting me, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Oh, dude, I love this shit, but we right in Lynchburg the fuck up, bud.
You know who it is. Yeah, everybody's scared. Look at them. They trembling. That's right. Get off the road. Get off the road. Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna lie. I didn't write that one dude.
Oh, my gosh. You are such a jerk.
I ain't riding your old ass.
Look at you go. Old boy ain't got his seatbelt on. That's right, son. Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. He's probably going to say something stupid to me like, I thought passengers don't have to.
Yep.
Front seat passengers do. Yeah.
No, all passengers.
18 or older?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
18 or older for all kinds of...
Yeah, it's in the TCA. The TCA doesn't specify that it's only the front passengers. It specifies all passengers.
Wow. I thought it was just backseat with a vehicle over so many pounds.
Nope. In any motor vehicle, all passengers have to be belted.
Really? I did not know that.
Yep.
Oh.
Some girl told me that one day, and so she pissed me off because he kept arguing with me. I went out there and wrote her a ticket wrote all 3 passengers a ticket for seatbelts, and then went out there and handed it printed off the TCA for it.
Who is this? Oh, it's fucking Carol.
Yeah.
Carol, good. He coming to ruin our fucking... Oh, my God. I'm just playing.
Guys, I think that we shouldn't do this in the middle of town, guys.
Going, really ruining it, guys.
Yeah, guys. Guys, I'm gonna damn Ace of Pearl to hell.
The heck.
Yeah, the heck.
The heck.
Hey, come on, dude.
Oh no, Johnson's working tomorrow. I think I may come out at like fucking 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, go out there and fuck Lynchburg up early in the morning.
Oh, Thomas, let me tell you this. Thomas, if you worked at 4553 and you found out where that 53 vehicle was, you went to the address, the dude was drunk, you arrested him at his house, but his vehicle was at his house, right? He drove home, would you do a fucking tow on that shit?
No.
Okay, then. Fucking Johnson was like, I have to do a tow on it. I was like, dude, no, you don't. Like, it's only if the vehicle is given over to someone else or if you tow the fucking car. He's like, yeah, but I'm still going to go ahead and do one. I was like, dude, what? You don't have to.
Yeah, no. Nah, you ain't got to do that shit. I had to help him out with a damn Titan this morning that he was trying to do the damn crime report, and he was like, well, it only lets me put, like, for the TCA, it only lets me put society once, and I'm sitting there trying to troubleshoot over the phone, and I'm finally sitting there and the light bulb went off in my head. I'm like, hold on a minute. I said, did you scroll down to where you selected the TCAs and the society? Did you click the down arrow and click the other ones? He was like, oh, and he went down there and clicked them, and it went through.
He probably chose society for a DUI.
Look at that Carol ass. Look, big, strong, crybaby voice ass, boy.
Big mean shit ass.
Motherfucker sound like a little kid when he talking.
This guy's up here, he's recording me, along with, he said, is that all y'all stop people for in Tennessee is seatbelts? Because it just seems like every time I'm up here I get stopped for a seatbelt. I'm like, no, just when you don't wear it. He's like, are you allowed to ask for my license? I said, well, it's not really an allowance. I do possess the authority. Well, I'm recording this whole thing. I said, that's perfectly fine. I am too.
Yeah, Pearl already fixed to take one to jail.
I'm gonna holler, bud.
Unfortunately, I can't. It's a seatbelt. They're not going to sign it, and I'm just going to give it to them and walk away. We ain't going to worry about it.
We're going to take them to jail. I'm going to be a little crybaby because the Wood and Bedford, they'd be going to jail.
They would be,
no.
But this is different.
Look at my ugly ass. Hell, I got my thing going. 31, 34.
Yeah, the only problem with the TCA for seatbelt is you can't charge them for failure to sign a citation on a seatbelt.
Yep.
Because somehow the way the law is written. because seatbelt's not a jailable offense. Speeding is. You can take somebody to jail for speeding all day long, but you can't take them for a seatbelt.
That is
There's a 40 right there. Y'all in a 30, y'all better slow the fuck down if I get a goddamn ticket. Slow down.
There's a whole lady right there. You go stop her when she's speeding?
She was going 40. Leave that all alone.
You go get her?
Leave that all alone.
You ain't gonna get
I
her.
gotta go to Hooters. I gotta get some fucking gas.
You gonna stop someone before you make it, man.
Hey, I'll meet you at Wooders. I gotta get gas too. I'll give you that paper.
All right, that works. Fight my ass up out here.
I'm so jealous, dude. I ain't about to be on Facebook, dude. I'm so jealous.
45, 58 to 45. How fast is that?
58. 30
Yeah.
over.
Oh, yeah, she got a fucking ticket.
Which one?
Told you. You ain't gonna make it to fucking Wooders. Told you.
Oh, people go.
Give me a stopper. Is that red Jeep? I'll go get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch up to the bitch.
They got, I got her first.
Everybody's freaking out.
Scared as shit.
Nobody knows how to drive.
What if I hit your ass head on?
Cut my name and camera on.
Bunch of fucking sharks in the water out there.
Hello, gate. That ain't one red Jeep.
Watch work's about to get out.
Oh, school's about to get. It's about to be a hill. We're gonna be causing traffic jams.
I know. Yeah, let me put gas in for 49, 920.
Fuck yes.
Does Moore County have a juvenile court date?
Mm-mm.
You know, the county's gonna be like, oh, well, the state's got this handled. We'll go work our domestic in our school zone.
They don't do their job. I seen somebody going 45 in the school zone yesterday.
Fuck yeah. Side note, I just traded a damn Kentucky State coin for a Troop C coin.
Oh, nice.
It's have you seen the new ones from Post 15 where it's the trooper hat and then it's cut out and then it's around the trooper hat and then it has the counties and the KSP Post 15. Have you seen that one? Hold on, I'll send it to y'all.
Oh my gosh, this damn truck is getting retarded. Oh my damn, hit my ass. Michael, you at Wooders?
Yeah, I'm at Wooders.
Damn, bro, I let me think you write a ticket. Jesus.
None of their stuff scans. It's Alabama.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You get for a warning?
Nope. No, they're broken tickets. You don't wear your seatbelt, you get a ticket. That's what it is.
Yep.
You want to argue?
Get a ticket.
That's all the time. You're still gonna get a ticket.
Hey, for a warning.
Who, you did?
Yeah. She was only 17, dude. I didn't know the court date, so I just didn't feel like screwing with all that crap.
Get your foot up.
I'm about to come to Woodard's. Put my blinders on because I really need. Dude, why is this fucking ghost call when I put it in reverse, it takes forever to fucking back up? It's gonna get me fucking killed.
That.
Driver input.
Hey, don't feel bad. That's fucking. Damn, I'm not gonna try and find that fucking boy.
This thing ain't even no damn hybrid. Look at that ass.
Ooh, that guy got me so good. He wants to speak to my supervisor. I was like, oh, yeah, you see, I'm perfectly capable of handling this situation and anything that you may have, so you can talk to me. It's like, no, we're not doing that. Let me speak to your supervisor. He's over there. I know my rights. I know this. I know that. Ba-da-da-da-da. I'm like, I'm glad you do. I'm glad. She's like, I don't want to sign it. I was wearing it. I said, that's fine. Well, I hope y'all show up to your court date. Bye.
Should have called me over there.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Should have said I'm gonna call my captain. I would have pulled up, goddamn.
Wait, hey. Oh, we got Zach Carroll.
Hey, friggin' have what's this? That fucking Kedrick pull out. Kedrick walk up and say, "Hey, you a dumbass. You taking that ticket?"
You'll taking it. He's like, that's fine. I'll be happy.